go, folks. Everyone rides in this one. 2010 VW Routan SE, loaded up, dual factory DVD system, leather interior, heated seats, premium sound, backup camera, dual sliding power doors, power rear gate, stow and go seating, factory alloys, real nice tires, no accidents on this truck, 2-owner unit in the wrapper. Got no stains in here, no smells, non-smoker. There's your dual DVDs there. Dual zone digital climate, leather wrapped steering wheel, remote garage access. Folks, this is looking for a really nice van, you found it. New brakes on this van, compliments of gascleveland.com. Fully serviced, safety inspected, and ready to go. Everyone rides. We do have financing available. Service contract included for 3 months or 4,500 miles on the drive line. And this Routan's ready for the Routan. Come on down, gascleveland.com.